What up YouTube, back in another video. This thing I picked up online, so this little miniature desktop vacuum from a company called Igokoti. Really weird name, I don't know what these people would think, but yeah, Igokoti. This thing looked like a robot. I was under the impression that it was going to be a rechargeable a little thing that you could power with like mini micro USB or some sort of proprietary connector, and then you can just leave on your desktop and it just vacuum stuff away. At this stage right now, I use this. This is it's a makeup brush. I use this, and if my keyboard is dusty or something, I mean every day or so I might just like dust it off, just to make sure things are kept clean and tidy. But yeah, this works really well. But I thought, you know what, I get a little thing like this. It wasn't too expensive. This is pretty cheap. Anyway, the features it's got. It does look like a robot, but it's not. It's a button start. It's got this thing called 360 degrees rotating wind, wherever that is, rotating wind blade. Okay, it's a fan. I mean, strong suction, fashion appearance, whatever that might be. Sure, it looks like a robot. It's not really fashionable, but anyway, paper scraps are easy sucked away. It doesn't do that either. It barely handles dust. I did test it out as well. So anyway, on the back, it doesn't even say charging current 5 volt 1 amp. So I'm assuming you can put rechargeable batteries. It does say batteries 2 times 1.5 AA, and this is work time 120 minutes. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I thought it was gonna be white. White looked pretty nice, but this came in black. So screw it. You know, black is fine as well. Don't really mind that. Anyway, inside the box comes with your instructions, which is pretty basic. You have a little on button there. You open it up from the top. You put in your batteries. There's a filter of some kind, and that's literally it. Anyway, and also it comes with a little brush here. So small little brush, big brush. I mean, this would do a better job of cleaning your keyboard than this thing here, which is the device. So it's got these little tough little bristles on the bottom, and brand logos on the top. When I did get it, it did seem a bit worn. It looked like it's been like returned and then resold. You can see that around the edges it's got some wear, even though this was brand new. It looks like someone's bought it and sent it back, and they've just said screw it, just sell it as new again. Which I do find when buying products sometimes online, they just get resent to you like this. Anyway, this is literally what it is. It's 2 AA batteries that go in the top. I mean, it didn't give me rechargeable batteries either, so that means you're going out and you're spending money on batteries, and that's literally it. Good old trusted Duracell batteries. So, plus is this side, minus is this side, and then the top goes on as so. There you go, that's on now. You can just press that, and it did turn on. It did turn on before. These are free with new batteries as well. For fuck's sake. I'm just gonna make sure. Oh yeah, the bottom does actually come off as well. Right, there you go. I've taken off the bottom, so you guys can have a better look. This thing is like this. That thing falls off. This is the bottom of the thing. This is where your little brushes are, and that's the 360 degrees rotating wind. Could use a better fan. I mean, seriously, that is just such a cheapo little thing to do. Anyway, and that's the little thing that goes on top. That goes on top of there, and that's literally it. So I've gone ahead, opened up some new batteries. Hopefully, don't know why it doesn't work any longer. Anyway, I'm gonna put the cover on. It should. Okay, I'll put new batteries in this thing. And it still doesn't turn on. So it did work. Didn't do much. And now I've just put batteries back in it the right way. I double checked it. Plus, minus isn't the right way, and doesn't work. So it's a great little piece of tech. So if you are out there, if you're looking at this little miniature vacuum thing, don't buy it. It worked once. It doesn't work any longer. Most likely it may be good for you. Most likely this could have been a unit that was returned. Probably why, because it worked and then just doesn't work afterwards, and now it doesn't work, and maybe that's the reason it was returned and it was resold back as new to me. Good, great. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this unboxing. This has been Ace. This has been an eventful unboxing. More to come, I guess. Peace out.